Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check test pattern on a Canon Pixma MX725. Now this can be done from the printer itself without the need for a PC. Now if you're not already on it, press the menu button here, and then we're going to use the arrow keys on the right hand side to navigate across to Setup. So once we're at Setup, we press OK, and then we need to press OK again to go into Maintenance, which is the first option you're presented with. And again, top of this list, print nozzle check pattern, so we press OK. Yet another confirmation. Now this will take just a moment and your printer will spit out a test page for us and we'll take a look. Now, with the print finished, we've got a breakdown of all the colours your printer is capable of producing with solid bars, and at the top here we should have more intricate kind of detail demonstrating your printer's ability to do text, as well as the little solid bars on the left as well. Now obviously this printer's going to need some head cleans, which we also have videos for on our channel, but hopefully yours is looking better than that. Now thankfully on the screen you will get questions from the printer which will determine whether you do need to do any additional cleans, as I have the broken bars there. I'm going to go down to B, press OK, and then from here you can automatically do a clean without the need of going through it separately. So I'm going to get on with that now. I hope your machine is looking better than that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.